allow me to point out that it has come to our notice that some leaders are inciting the public against remitting taxes in the form of various rates due to the counties. Consequently, we are still below par in revenue collection this financial year, this being the last quarter of the financial year. I'm appealing to the public. May I just emphasize on this point? It's very unfortunate that you find some specific individuals, including leaders who have been elected from certain wards, inciting their own people not to pay revenues. And we have said, if your ward members, if your people, they can't pay revenue, we have no business of collecting revenue from another ward to bring it to your ward. Therefore, I've spoken to my MCAs and I've told them so. That anybody who will incite the public not to pay, let him get his money from his pocket, pay for bursaries and all that. Others are not going to engage that one ward is committed in revenue collection. Then another one MCA is busy inciting his people not to do what? Not to pay. We have told them, you have incited their people not to pay, we're not going to give them any money because we can't get money from anywhere else, especially our own source revenue. But again, I want to appeal to the public, traders, and this is important, transport, borders, operators, and all categories of business operators to ensure that they meet their revenue obligations as stipulated in the county finance bill. Let me remind all of us that paying taxes are our responsibility based in law, and it's the responsibility for all of us to remit revenue on time. Kuna kitu tunasema kulipa ushuru ni kujitegemea. That's actually what KRS tells us, isn't it? Kulipa ushuru ni kujitegemea. On our part as a county government, we are setting mechanism to ensure that the money raised through taxes is diligently collected and accounted for. This includes everybody having a paperless revenue management system to minimize privileges and rating of revenue invoicing and receipting for unscrupulous officers and traders.